In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Wi-Fi not showing up in settings on Windows 11. Encountering this issue can be frustrating, especially when you're in the midst of trying to connect to the internet. But don't worry, we have some easy steps that can help you resolve this problem efficiently. Firstly, one of the simplest solutions that many users often overlook is to restart your PC. While it may seem too basic, performing a quick restart can reload the necessary Wi-Fi adapter and services that may not have launched properly when you initially started your computer. By restarting, you're giving your system the chance to refresh its components, which can often resolve minor glitches and connectivity issues. Moving on, let's ensure that airplane mode isn't causing any disruptions. To check this, press the Windows key along with the A key on your keyboard. This will open the quick settings panel. Here, you'll want to ensure that airplane mode is turned off. Airplane mode disables all wireless communications, which includes Wi-Fi, so ensuring it's off is crucial. After confirming airplane mode is off, look to see if the Wi-Fi button has appeared. This can often resolve visibility issues with your Wi-Fi settings, especially after a restart. If the Wi-Fi button is still not showing, the next step is to ensure that your Wi-Fi adapter itself is enabled. To do this, you'll need to access your network connections. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the Run dialog. In the dialog box, type ncpa.cpl and then press Enter. This command opens up the Network Connections window. Here you'll see a list of all available network connections on your device. Look for the Wi-Fi adapter. If it appears to be grayed out, this indicates that it is disabled. Right-click on the Wi-Fi adapter and select Enable from the context menu. Enabling your adapter allows your PC to recognize available Wi-Fi networks, which should resolve the issue. These steps should help you get your Wi-Fi settings up and running again on Windows 11. Remember that these are the initial troubleshooting methods, and they resolve the majority of connectivity issues related to the Wi-Fi not showing up. However, if these steps don't completely solve the problem, there could be other underlying issues, such as driver software problems or hardware malfunctions, which might require additional investigation or professional support. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and that it managed to resolve your Wi-Fi issue. If you have any further questions or need more assistance, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. See you next time.